Hi there folks, this is my very first video on YouTube and I'm going to show you the way I like to cook my corn on the cob. It's really delicious. You don't have any messy hairs on your cob and it's pretty quick. And it's also really juicy too. Everybody always rave about my corn on the cob. So let me show you the video how I do it. Okay, I'm going to show you the way I like to cook corn on the cob. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, you get the corn on the cob. You cut off the hair pieces here. So you have room in the microwave, otherwise it won't be turning. And then what I do, I rinse them all. I just add a little water to the outside the husk, just to make sure it stays moist. It's probably gonna be moist anyway. And then what I do, I put it in the microwave. Hard to do with one hand, rolling corn. Okay, then I close it. And then I put it on 4 minutes for the first corn on the cob. You got 2 extra minutes for each other additional corn on the cob. So that's 4 or 5. That's 6 minutes. Okay, after cooking this, 2 corn on the cob for 6 minutes, 4 for 1 minute. Each additional cob, 2 minutes more. You gotta put oven mitts on too. What you do, you cut about 1 inch back from the tail end of the corn. And then you just slide it right on out. Sometimes it works pretty well, sometimes you might have a little trouble. Sometimes I need a little help with my other hand. Ouch, hot. Oh. But it comes out hairless too. Come out nice and clean. There you go. Then I like to cut this little piece off here. I need more light here. Sorry about the light, people. Then I put these corn dingy things in there. All right, we got one there. Now get rid of my husk and everything. Now for the next one. Okay, from the tail end of it, what do I call it? About 1 inch back. Sometimes I don't cut far enough back and it don't work too well. But it's really pretty simple. You don't have to pick all the hairs off of it. You know, the more you do it, the easier it gets. All right, and that's about it, people. Don't forget to like and thumbs up.